Fiera Capital Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Fiera Capital is an investment management firm, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for high net worth individuals. The surprising truth is Fiera offers a range of mutual funds, private wealth management, and institutional services, with pricing structured around fund type and investment amount. Fund management fees typically range from 0.5% to 2% annually, depending on the strategy and risk level. For example, equity mutual funds often charge 1% to 1.5%, while alternative strategies like hedge funds or private credit may charge closer to 2% plus performance-based fees. You won't believe the value. Professional portfolio management, risk monitoring, and access to diverse asset classes often outweigh the cost, especially for investors seeking long-term growth. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on fees. The real value comes from diversified strategies, personalized advice, and institutional-level research that can improve returns and reduce volatility. In conclusion, Fiera Capital pricing is tiered and transparent. By understanding management fees, fund types, and service offerings, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether the firm delivers value for your investment goals. It's a solid choice for both individual and institutional investors seeking professional asset management.